Hey everyone, welcome back to WP Design Lab. Today, I'm going to show you how to add this super cool liquid image hover effect to your WordPress website. You can use it with Elementor or any other page builder. Watch what happens when I hover over this image. It literally melts into another one with a smooth liquid transition. Pretty awesome, right? We'll be using a custom plugin called Liquid Hover Effect Manager. It comes with easy-to-use backend options where you can upload your first and second image, then display the effect anywhere using a simple shortcode. I've left the download link for you in the video description, so make sure you grab it first. Then install it like any other plugin, go to Plugins, Add New, and choose the zip file, and click Install and Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new menu in your WordPress dashboard called Liquid Hover. Inside, you can create as many hover effects items as you like. Add item to create one. You'll get 2 image slots, image 1 and image 2. These are the before and after states of your hover animation. Just click Select Image to upload or choose from the media library. Next, choose your aspect ratio. For example, 16:9, 1:1, or 21:9, depending on your design. And that's it. WordPress will automatically generate a unique shortcode for each item. We can use this to display the image effect on your website. To display the hover effect, simply copy the shortcode and paste it into a shortcode widget in Elementor. You can also use it inside Gutenberg blocks, WPBakery, or any other page builder. It works everywhere. In Elementor, make sure to adjust the width of the shortcode widget according to your design. Hit update, preview the page, and boom, you've got a stunning liquid hover effect images on your WordPress website. Now, let's add a few more items and test it on another section of the website. As you can see, when I add more items, different shortcodes are automatically created. You can add unlimited shortcodes this way. One important thing to note is the image ratio. If your images are horizontal, use a 16:9 ratio. If your images are square, use a 1:1 ratio for the best results. And that's how you can add liquid hover effects to your WordPress website in just a few clicks. It instantly gives your design that premium, modern look. That's all for today. Make sure to try it on your site. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. I'll be adding more features to this plugin soon, so leave your comments and suggestions below. And don't forget to check out my other related videos. Thanks for watching.